Welcome to Lesson 9. Let's talk about choosing content that's appropriate for your age. Age-appropriate content means videos that are suitable for your age group. Not all live streams are the same. Some may include language or topics meant for older audiences. Before watching, check the video title and description to understand the content. If you're unsure, ask a parent or trusted adult for guidance. Use platform safety settings, like restricted mode, to help filter content. If a stream makes you uncomfortable, you can leave at any time. Making smart choices helps you have a safer and better experience online. Choose content wisely and stay safe while watching. Thanks for watching. Be prepared for the next lesson, which is digital footprint and thinking before you post.